a safe crypto portfolio to start with for beginners. Unfortunately, there are bad actors in the crypto space, like scammers. Then you've got the rug pulls and the Ponzi schemes. You've got exchanges that have ended badly, like FTX and Celsius. At the time of this video, I have some crypto stuck in Celsius, like about $2,000 or so, and I'm one of the lucky ones. Just be aware of leather marketing that sucks you into a crypto with zero utility. It's happened to me, it's happened to many investors I know or know of. I really don't want this happening to you. So please make security your number one priority with anything you do online. With safety in mind, we're going to look at a safe portfolio for any investor looking to start their crypto journey. To start with, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you need to focus on building a safe portfolio initially. And then I'm going to finish with a safe portfolio for you to consider that includes cryptos in the top 20 in terms of market cap. This isn't me dishing out financial advice. It's just information from my 7 years in crypto and 20 plus years as an investor. There are some huge opportunities coming up over the next few years in crypto, but the caveat is that it can also go tits up. By watching this video, you're educating yourself, and education is the best way to protect your hard-earned money. So why bother with a safe portfolio? Reason number 1 is to minimize risk. Crypto markets can be highly volatile, with prices fluctuating dramatically in short periods. A safe portfolio helps beginners minimize the risk of losing a significant portion of their investment due to market fluctuations. Trust me, when you lose some or all of your hard-earned money, it can be painful. I've had some hard times mentally with crypto over the last 7 years, and that's the very reason for me doing a video like this. Reason number 2 is to build confidence. Crypto can be daunting at first until you get used to it. That's why I read Bitcoin for Dummies back in 2017, as I was absolutely clueless. Starting with safe investments allows beginners to gain confidence in navigating the complexities of crypto investing. It provides a solid foundation so you can gradually explore riskier assets as you become more experienced, more confident. Reason number 3 is to avoid costly mistakes. I've made many mistakes over the last few years. It's part of being an investor, but you want to minimize those mistakes if possible. And the way to do that is to start with safety in mind. You might be a beginner and might lack the knowledge and experience to evaluate the risks associated with certain cryptos adequately. Focusing on safe options reduces the likelihood of making costly mistakes that could negatively impact your investment journey. If I could go back, I would tell myself to focus on safety and education at the start. The rest will follow. Reason number 4 is long-term sustainability. A safe portfolio is designed to withstand market downturns and economic uncertainties, ensuring the sustainability of the investment over the long term. This approach aligns with the principle of preserving capital while gradually building wealth. The crypto market in general is volatile, but if you go with the safer options, that volatility is reduced. Just a point on volatility, as adoption continues to grow and more liquidity comes into the crypto market, especially now big institutions like BlackRock and Fidelity have joined the party with the Bitcoin ETF, spot ETF. Many experts believe that the volatility will level off and more stability will come into the market. Don't forget that compared to other markets like commodities and fiat currency, this is a very new asset class. Reason number 5 is learning opportunity. This is the big reason for me, because learning about crypto is so important. I can't stress enough how important education is to any investor. This is what will help protect your wealth and build your wealth, because ultimately your investments are your responsibility. End of story. No whinging and moaning, feeling sorry for yourself or blaming anyone else. You make a mistake, it's on you. You get a win, you give yourself a pat on the back and move on. Building a safe portfolio offers beginners the opportunity to learn about fundamental investment principles, risk management, and the unique characteristics of different cryptos. It lays the groundwork for a deeper understanding of the market dynamics and investment strategies. So we've now covered the why. Now we'll look at an example of a safe portfolio for you to consider, finishing up with my 5 top picks for 2024. The first crypto in our safety first portfolio is the granddad of them all, and that is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is number one in terms of market cap and is often referred to as digital gold. It is considered one of the safest cryptocurrencies to invest in. With its strong network, widespread adoption, and limited supply, Bitcoin has stood the test of time and is a cornerstone of many crypto portfolios. I could go on and on about the number one crypto, but if you want more info, you can find it below in the description. There you will find everything you need to know all about Bitcoin. The second crypto in our safety first portfolio is Ethereum. Ethereum is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a decentralized platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. With its robust developer community and continuous upgrades, Ethereum offers great potential for long-term growth. What first got me interested in this crypto was its multiple use cases, like smart contracts, DeFi, NFTs, gaming, and much more. ETH is number two in terms of market cap and is another safe option for investors just starting out. The third crypto in our safety first portfolio is BNB, which is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance exchange, one of the largest and most trusted cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. BNB has multiple use cases within the Binance ecosystem, including trading fee discount and participation in token sales, making it a solid choice for beginner investors. At the time of this video, BNB is number 4 in terms of market cap and another safe bet for investors. The fourth crypto in our safety first portfolio is Cardano, which is a third generation blockchain platform known for its focus on scalability, interoperability, and sustainability. Led by a team of academics and engineers, Cardano aims to provide a secure and scalable infrastructure for the future of finance and decentralized applications. Another crypto that is in the top 10 for market cap and another safe option. The fifth crypto in our safety first portfolio is Solana, which is a high performance blockchain platform known for its fast transaction speeds and low fees. With its growing ecosystem of decentralized applications and strong community support, Solana has gained popularity as a promising blockchain platform for developers and users alike. So there you have it, 5 safe cryptocurrencies to kickstart your crypto journey. Remember, while these cryptocurrencies are considered relatively safe, it's essential to do your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose. Before we finish, I want to leave you with my 5 top crypto investments 2024. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, CAS, and Coinbase stock. Hopefully you've got value out of this video. That's it for now. I'll see you on the next one.